y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And this week I'm bringing you something light and refreshing, a nice little cool drink for the summertime. I was feeling, I guess, like a mixologist, and I wanted to make a mocktail. So it started out being inspired by the Mule, but I don't really know what that's supposed to taste like or not, so I don't know if I was doing it right. So I just decided to do my own thing, and I took a Mule mocktail and put my own little southern twist on it. So if you want to see what that is, just keep watching and then let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're going to do is take your copper mug and fill it with some crushed ice. Now if you don't have crushed ice, you can just take a mallet to some cubed ice like I did, and presto, you've got your very own crushed ice. And then next we're going to go in with some ginger beer. I know you're going to be tempted to want to use some D&G or some Bigga, and that's fine. Take a half a cup of your favorite ginger beer and then add some club soda. We're going to need about 3 tablespoons of that. Followed by a little lime juice. You'll need 3 tablespoons of that. And if you give it a stir, you stop right there, you'll be at a classic Mule mocktail. But we are switching it up today and adding in 2 tablespoons of some sweet tea to give us a Southern Mule. So be sure to let me know what you think about this in the comment section below.